How to change your username on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox mobile. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. After that, you will get to see a gear icon. Tap on this gear icon given in your top right corner. Then, you need to tap on Settings. It will take you to the account info section. So now, here you'll get to see a pen icon. So tap on the pen icon given right next to your username. Next, what you need to do is add your new username and hit the Save button. So once you're done, reload the page and your username will be updated. So that is exactly how you can change your username on Roblox mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.